Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to find if your website is down. So we are going to use this website. I'm going to put it on the comments section below. And when you load this website, you just have to go there and type in the domain name that you think is down. So, and after you put it, click check. It's gonna take some time and it will tell you if it's down or not. It is up and everybody can reach it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you another example and where it says like it's down. So let's say I know that this website is down at the moment, so I'll just try it. Okay, it is up actually. Okay, they have a couple of options here which shows like which one is down, so I'll just use one. Oh sorry, it is listia.com. Okay, let's go there. So it's the listia.com I put. So let's wait and see. See, it's down. So if it's down, it's going to show it like this way. So this is how you see like if your website is down or up. And they also have a status history of when it was up and down. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We post a lot of amazing tech news every day. Thank you so much.